Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set caller ID announcement in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First, go to this call button and go to this three vertical dots here and click on settings here and click on answering and ending calls. Here select read caller names allowed and click over read caller names allowed. Here set always, so always caller name will be read out. See here, I will make a call from one of my another number.
Germany.
Caller name is read out here. In this way you can easily set caller ID announcement in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.